Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this basket with tulips. To crochet the base, we need 2 strands of yarn. Firstly, we will create a ring. Then we will work 1 chain on the circle, and then work 2 chains. After finishing this starting chain, we will then work 12 double crochets as our first round. Now we finished our 12 double crochets. Then we need to fasten the circle. To do this, we need to pull over the tile to find the removable end. Then we will pull over the removable end to close the circle. Finally, we will pull over the tile to further fasten the circle, and then cut off the tile. Now we will join the round with a slip stitch. Now we will start round 2. Firstly, we will work 2 chains. Then in each stitch, we will work 2 double crochets together. By end of this round, we will have 24 double crochets. Now we finished this round, we will join the round with a slip stitch, and then start round 3. For round 3, we will still start with 2 chains. Then in every second stitch, we will increase 1 double crochet, which means in our first stitch, we will work 1 double crochet, and then in the second stitch, we will work 2 double crochets. We will repeat this until the end. In this way, we will add 12 double crochets. By end of this round, we will have 36 double crochets. Now we finished this round, we will join the round with a slip stitch, and then start round 4. Round 4, we will still start with 2 chains. In this round, we will work 1 double crochet in each stitch, so by end of this round, we will still have 36 stitches. Now we will start round 5. This round is exactly the same as the previous round, so we will still start with 2 chains and then work 1 double crochet in each stitch. So by end of this round, we will still have 36 stitches. Now we finished the round, we will join the round with a slip stitch. Then we will work 1 chain to secure the end and then cut off the yarn. Now we will start round 6, which is our leaves. To start with, we will work a slip knot and then work 3 chains at any position. Then we will skip 1 stitch and find the 3rd stitch to work 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet. We will repeat this process until the end. Now we come to the last leaf. We will find the stitch where we created our 3 chains in the beginning, and then work 1 double crochet and 1 chain in this stitch. Finally, we will join with the third chain using a slip stitch. Then we will work one chain to secure the end, and then cut off the yarn. Finally, we will work our round 7, which is our tulips. To do this, we will firstly create a slip knot, and then work 3 chains between any 2 double crochets. Then we will work 5 double crochets at the same position. Now we will join the first chain with the last double crochet using a slip stitch, and this will make our first tulip. Then we will work 3 chains. Then we will repeat this process until the end. Now we finished all the tulips. Then we will join the last 2 tulips and head the tail, cut off the yarn, and done.